So our last point is broader meaning of democracy. In this point, what is written here, that the students get to learn about democracy as a form of government, definitely, or the students, they learn about the democracy in the form of the government, and even they helping them to identify a clear set of minimal features that democracy requires. Minimal features means कम से कम features आप लोगों को जानने को मिलेगा about the democracy what democracy require also. The common form adopted by democracies is representative democracy in democratic countries. The common form adopted by the democracy, and that is also representative democracy. Okay, democratic countries, all people do not rule, definitely the elected people only rule. Okay na, so majority is allowed to take decisions on behalf of all the people through their elected representatives. This has become necessary for the reasons given below. What are the reasons? The reasons is given below, given here. See, like modern democracies involve such a large number of people large number of people that is physically impossible for them to sit together and take a collective decisions. Okay, it's not means not possible for this for I'm giving on one example. Not possible for Narendra Modi every day he will sit with the members and taking all the decisions. Okay now, yes, he is the leader of the country. Even he can means he can talk with them through the media, or through the means there are many types of communication skill. Okay na, so he will use this communication skill and uh, talking and discuss for the decisions. Okay, so it is happen, means it is written here, it is not possible possible in the modern democracies. क्या कि फिजिकली मतलब लीडर्स सबके साथ हर रोज बैठे और डिसीजंस ले, ठीक है ना. इवन इफ दे कुड, द सिटीजन्स डज नॉट हैव द टाइम, द डिज़ायर और द स्किल टू टेक पार्ट इन ऑल द डिसीजंस. अगर हम सोचेंगे, इफ नरेंद्र मोदी वांटेड टू सिट with the citizens or with the members, huh, if he desired to sit with the people, but the they they does not have time, they means does not have the time to means to fulfill the desire of the leaders. So this happen in the modern democracies. ठीक है ना, समझ में आया ना दोनों पॉइंट. The next, so democracy as a principle can go. Democracy is a means in a democracy there are different types of rules and regulation, means principle. Okay, and this principle can go beyond the government and can be applied to any sphere of life. People use the word democracy not to describe any existing government. Okay, we are not using the word democracy to describe any existing government. जो गवर्नमेंट ख़त्म मतलब एग्जिस्ट हो चुका है, उसको डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम डेमोक्रेसी वर्ड को यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बट अ सेट ऑफ एन आइडल स्टैंडर्ड दैट ऑल डेमोक्रेसीज मस्ट एम टू बिकम. So if the deals of democracy are considered, then no country in the world is correctly democratic. Still, having an understanding of democracy as a will explain why to value democracy. Okay na, why the value democracy is a very much important for the country. Okay, country, why the what I have very much important for the country, that that why democracy is a very valuable. Yes, it's a valuable because in a democracy only the all the good decisions are taking by the government. Okay, it's accountable government. Okay, then it's accountable government. It's provide I mean it provides the method to correct their mistakes. So that's why democracy is very much important for the country. Okay, even in the now also in some of the country they have the monarchy system in their own country. Okay, now even the country people, they use their dictatorship. Okay, so that country is not called a democratic country, they are come under the non-democratic country. Our India have a multi-party system, and because of this multi-party system, the India contesting election after every 5 years, and every leaders getting chance to become the leader of the country, and even they are getting chance to become a leader of the country because of the people's, means they are getting chance to become the leader of the country because of the become the leader of the country through the people's vote. Okay, so that's why democracy is very much important, important for the country. Means in my point of view, this every country must have a democracy in their own country, then the people will get their rights. So here students, some of the exercise questions are given here, so you please do it in your book only. Okay na, because it's a some multiple choice questions are here, and I will provide you the extra questions PDF. Okay na, PDF of extra questions. So thank you, and please comment, share and like. Okay.